What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons from the Clean Biz Network. Today I'm going to answer a bidding question I got sent to me from my email. It was from Orlando Dixon, I believe it was. Let's go over to my email and let's answer this question on how to bid on this warehouse with an office attached to it. Here we go.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Alright, what's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, checking in for another great video for you guys. Today I just want to do a quick bid video for y'all. First, let me see if I can get me off the screen there. And so what I'm going to do is, I was about to type and answer this question, but instead I'm just going to send him this video as the answer to the question. Alright, so Orlandric Dixon says, I have a question. I conducted a walkthrough last Friday in the warehouse. By the way, he got this appointment from us at the Clean Biz Network lead generation service. So if you need a walkthrough for your cleaning company, if you need customers, check out the Clean Biz Network lead generation service, and we can set you up with an opportunity just like this. All right. Anyway, he says he did a walkthrough last Friday at a warehouse. It has offices connected to it, and the warehouse is downstairs. The offices are upstairs. It's 87,000 square feet. They are only looking for him to vacuum and mop once a week in all areas, and then clean the restrooms and wipe the offices down 3 times a week, and then also 5 days a week. I guess he want to quote for both office and table service and cleaning the restrooms. They have 37 tons. My price for 3 days. Alright, so he came up with a price already, so that's good. I like to have something to go off of. So this is what he's thinking about charging for 3 days a week. This is what he's thinking about charging for 5 days a week. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Calculated Clean. If you haven't tried out Calculated Clean, make sure you go to calculatedclean.com. That's calculatedclean.net. I mean, not .com, but calculatedclean.net. Alright, if you go to .com, it's going to forward you to .net, but it's going to take you long. Alright, so let's skip the middleman. Alright, but anyway, this is the Calculated Clean website version. It's not the app. We have a mobile app as well, though. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug in the information that he's giving me. Alright, so he says 87,000 square feet. And he didn't say which parts were carpet and which part were hard floor, but I cleaned enough buildings to know that this is probably what it is. It's probably mostly all floors in the warehouse part, and then the rest is carpet. So we're just gonna put it all on the hard floor for now. And then he said that he don't have to do a bunch of wiping down and stuff in the warehouse part. He only has to do the wiping down and stuff in the office part. Then he also said that they only want that done once a week. So here's the thing. Number one, I would need to have this separated. I need to know which part of this 87,000 square feet is the concrete, that warehouse part, and then which part of this 87,000 square feet is the office part. All right. So what I'm going to assume is this. I'm going to assume that he said the offices are all upstairs and then the rest is all downstairs. So let's just cut it in half. So we'll divide that by 2, and we'll put 43.5 in the top part. All right. So we'll do 43.5 here. And then we'll do 43.5 there. Alright, and so we'll keep the carpet part the same at 3,000 for the production rate, and that's saying that he can clean 3,000 square feet within an hour. That's what production rate is saying. Alright, now for this hard floor part, we're actually going to speed it up because he's not doing any wiping down or anything on there. All he's doing is vacuuming and mopping. Alright, so let's put that up to maybe to 4,500. Alright, now actually, you know what? We're gonna have to do this. I'll tell you what, this is what we'll do. I'm gonna do this twice. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write this number down. So first we're gonna leave this part out, because remember, this part is only being done once a week, right? He says that he wanted to vacuum them but once a week, right? And then the other part, so bam. So what we'll do is we'll take this out completely and only deal with the carpeted part for now, the office part. Alright, so this is how many hours it's gonna take for that part. Then the amount of tons he said is what? He said there were 37 tons. Alright, so we're going to do one for 5 days a week. Alright, and then we'll do one for 3 days a week. So first, I'm going to leave this hourly rate and everything exactly the same. He can change that if he wants to change that. But this right here is how much you're going to pay your workers. And then how much you want to pay your workers will dictate how much you should charge the customer. You see how that adjusted to what you're going to charge a customer? So a lot of people don't know how much you're going to charge a customer. If you already know how much you charge a customer, you can skip this part and go straight to here, because this is what it's really about when the calculator is trying to figure out what the formula is to come with your monthly charge rate. All right, so we're going 5 days a week. So this is what I'm charging 5 days a week first, but we're not done yet. We're not done, so I'm gonna need to take some notes first. Let me get out a little drawing board. All right, so do they type on here? Let's see. I don't think they type. Do they type? Yep, there we go. Bam. So what we got there? We got 10,497. All right, so that's for 5 days a week. So let's go back here. So 10,497, 5 days, and then we're gonna go back here and we're gonna do 3 days, and that'll be 62.98 for 3 days. All right, so go back to my paint. So 62.98 for 3 days, and then we're not done. We got to add on that warehouse part for once a week. All right, so now we're gonna come back over here. We're gonna delete this. We're going to delete this, and then we're gonna come down here to the hard floor part and do that 43.5 again. All right, and that, remember that was the half that was warehouse, and then we're in here. We're gonna do 4,500 for the production rate, because again, all he's doing is vacuuming and mopping. He's not doing any wiping down. He's not dumping any trash out there, just vacuuming and mopping. All right, and then we're gonna do no Tums in there, because that's all he's doing, vacuuming and mopping. And then we're gonna do once a week. By the way, for those new to the channel, Tums are simply toilets, mirrors, and sinks. So you can see it right there: toilets, urinals, mirrors, sinks. All right. Now you come on down, and by the way, this is a calculator that I created for you guys to use. You can try it for free. It's a 3-day free trial at calculatorclean.net. if you're not sure how to come up and price on jobs. All right, so this is what I'll add to the price. All right, so $12.77. So we'll do $12.77 plus, all right, plus $62.98. So $62.98, and there's your price for 3 days a week. So that'll be your real price. All right, so total will be, what was that, $75.75. All right, and then on this one, the total will be, the price again, it was $12.77. So $12.77 plus, come back over to my paint, $10,497. So $10,497 plus $10,497, $11,774. So 11,774, and that's what I. So this is what I charge for the 5 days a week, and then this is what I charge for 3 days a week. So, and I would just give them a quote for both, and I'll put it all in the same proposal and let them choose which one they want to go with. Have them circle it, we'll sign it, and move forward with that. Now let's compare my prices to his prices, right? Because I'm at $11,700 on the 5 days, and I'm at $7,500 on the 3 days, right? And he's a lot higher than me. Then why is that? Well, number one, he might not have took in consideration when he entered into the calculator that one part, the warehouse part, was only for 1 day a week and not 5 days a week. So he shouldn't have put the whole 87,000 square foot in there at once. He had to separate it and then add it on like I just did. All right. So another thing he could have did differently was he could have charged a different hourly rate. So maybe he wanted to pay his people $20 an hour. But now the hourly rate is increased. Now you see how much my rate is increased, right? You see what I'm saying? Then he also could have, something else he could have did was he could have went with a different production rate. He could have went lower and said I actually clean slower than that. And so now the time, you see how the time just doubled like that? So let's go back to this. See how that time was that now, but if you change your production rate, the time is that, right? And so production rate is something you can learn with experience, but until you figure out what your true production rate is, then you just use what comes with the calculator, okay? But again, the production rate is the amount of square feet you can clean in an hour. So if you don't know how many square feet you can clean in an hour, then simply use what we got until you start measuring your time and figure out what it is for you and your company, all right? Well, hopefully this video was able to help you guys. Again, you can get a free trial of Calculator Clean at www.calculatorclean.net, or just download the Calculator Clean mobile app. We also have a social network on this as well. So you can get up here, interact with other people, like, comment, and subscribe to all different people. Well, not actually like and comment and subscribe to this video. All right, I'm so used to saying it as a YouTuber, but what I meant to say was you can like people's posts, you can comment, you can do all type of stuff, right? I'm just gonna move me out the way a little bit just so you can see. So you see Naquan Shaw just posted, Sierra, a bunch of different people, right? So you can see people up there commenting and talking to each other and all of that. So, but that's what I got for y'all. And then you can see I'm the only one online right now, but it shows you who's online and everything. So that's what I got for y'all. Hopefully this video was able to help y'all. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't started your cleaning company already, go to cleanbiznetwork.com, www.cleanbiznetwork.com, and see how we can help you with our cleaning business starter kits, as well as our lead generation service I just showed you that he used to get his opportunity to bid on the opportunity, and then also the Calculated Clean website and app to help you price these jobs when you get a chance to get them, right? So we got everything here to help you as far as the cleaning industry goes. I'm AJ Simmons, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you.